Niku Udon with Onsen Tamago, or simply Nikutama Udon, is an udon noodle soup topped with sweet and salty braised beef and soft egg. Beef and egg have become popular toppings at udon restaurants here in the US too. For ingredients, please check out the website JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we prepare seasoned beef. Cut thinly sliced beef into large pieces. Slice the onion thinly and cut the ginger root into thin matchsticks. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat and add the beef. And cook until brown. Once the beef changes color, add the sliced onion and ginger root and cook until softened. Then we are going to season it. Add sugar, soy sauce, mirin, sake, and water. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and allow the mixture to cool in the pan. Meanwhile, we have the dashi stock already made here, and we add the soy sauce, mirin, sake, and salt to season the broth. And add the udon noodles to the soup. We are using frozen udon, but you can boil the dry udon noodles according to the package before adding it to the soup. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and we are going to assemble. Divide the noodles and soup evenly into 2 bowls, and we are going to add the toppings. The simmered beef and the Onsen Tamago egg. Please watch the Onsen Tamago recipe video if you haven't already. Add some chopped green onions and sprinkle with shichimi togarashi pepper if you like. The flavor combination of well-seasoned beef and egg is similar to sukiyaki, and it's so delicious. Hope you give it a try soon.
美味しいね。